Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys notice, I'm obviously in a much different setup than I normally am because I'm in college now, and if you guys have not kept up with me, I've done like lots of videos. So for today's video, I'm doing my room tour finally, because I think it's finally almost where I want it to be. I wanted everything to be really nice, and I wanted to have time to get settled, and it's past Labor Day weekend now. I've been here for almost 3 weeks now, so I think I'm settled now. I do have one roommate who's here. We have a suite style dorm, so we have 2 double rooms, a living room, and a bathroom, and we share the living room and the bathroom. So I'm out of breath, I'm so sorry. So yeah, so if I say my roommate, I might be talking about my suite mates or my roommates. Suite mates is too much to say, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what my room looks like. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Hey. Hi. I was just about to film. Why is everyone here, man? When you come in our room, we have these cute rugs. They're matching with our people across the hallway. Not really neighbors, I guess neighbors. So yeah, that's cute. And then this is our door. We have a nice little peephole. And then this is like the living room area. My roommates brought those are their blankets, and then the lamps. We have lamps in here. The couches, we have a love seat, and then whatever that couch is called. And then over here, it's really bland. It's not that cute because there's no point of decorating it for like a year. So we have a TV stand, and we also have a fire stick. That's my stuff, and then that's trash that we need to take out. And then here's our fridge. I didn't know you were standing right there. Here's our fridge. Oh, we didn't want to get couch covers because those were kind of expensive, and there was no point of buying them, so we just got blankets over them. They look nice. And then this is our fridge. I don't have anything in here, but I'll show you guys it. I have one in my room, so that's the freezer. That's the fridge. Nice. We put letters on them, a lot of Papa John's coupons, and we have a microwave as well. And then we have like sugar and bags on top of it. And then those are one of my roommate's water bottles. I really don't know whose. So yeah, this is what our room looks like when you walk in here. So that's my side, and that is my roommate T's side. So I'm just gonna go into depth, and I told her that I was filming this today, so she kind of cleaned up a little bit. So I'm not gonna go into depth on her side because that's kind of like an invasion of privacy, but I'll just give you like a little overview of her side. We color coordinated everything, and honestly, we did not plan to match. Like with some things, like I have something very similar to that, and she has a mirror and I have a mirror. We didn't really plan on that, but it looks nice. So yeah, so here's my side. This is the fridge we have, and I have a little letterboard that says dorm suite dorm. I have up here some syrup. That's for my iced coffee because, you know, you can't really put regular sugar in there, so it's a sweetener. These are the letters for the letterboard. Sugar, that's my cup, and then a little place in that. And then here's the freezer. This ice cube tray, y'all, from Target is a lifesaver. It's really small, so it fits in the mini fridge, and it's like really easy to get the ice out of. Popsicles. And then this is the fridge. So this has my stuff and my roommate's stuff. Most of it is mine though. So if you guys want a little mini fridge tour, I got some Sprite, some coffee creamer, ranch, carrots. That's my Brita. I love Britas because I don't feel like buying water bottles. I never drink a whole water bottle, so I just have a Brita, and it's a lot easier. I have milk, lemon juice. That's empty. I'm supposed to put iced coffee in it, but I just put it in here to hide it from the room tour, but I'm showing it to you guys now. That's Starbucks coffee, Red Bull. Yeah, and I think my roommate's stuff is in the back. And then for the fridge, I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about this. This is just marble contact paper from Amazon. It was $10, and you guys will be able to see I used that like a lot of places in my room. And then I have magnets. I'm trying to collect magnets of every place I go, so I have those so far. I've been to a lot more places, but I just started collecting them. So yeah, and then I'm going to give y'all a little quick overview, I'm going to give y'all a quick overview of my side of the room. I'm out of breath, y'all. And then here's my closet. This is hers, this is mine. So I'm going to show y'all inside of here. I really like how my closet is organized. So first of all, these doors bug me because I can't open any farther than this, but it's okay. So I have my umbrella. I hanged up command hooks on either side of the closet so I can hang up like my outfits or my towel. I hang up my towel originally in here, but now it's in the bathroom. So I have my umbrella on this side, raincoat on this side, and then we have this little space on the top. So that is my gym bag, and then behind it is stuff that I'm just not using that needed a place to go. And then I have these 2 baskets. This one has like a steamer in it, and I think a lint roller, and then this one has like camera stuff in it. Here, I'll show y'all. And just my wallet and stuff like that. And then this is the inside of my closet. Hangers, I actually did a dorm haul, so you guys can figure out where everything is from in that haul. So the hangers are actually from TJ Maxx, and they're really nice because they save a lot of space. And then these are all my leggings on this hanger. You can't really see them all, but I have way too many. And then I have this thing, which is nice to organize my shoes. So I have my shoes in there. All my tennis shoes. My sandals are somewhere else. I'll show y'all. And then down here, I have a hat. That's actually Justin's hat. He gave it to me. I'm going to try and wear it as much as I can. And then that is a scarf. And I also have a bathing suit back there. And then below here, I have my shower shoes. A little mini backpack. Not my school backpack. Just one I can take like on weekend trips or something. Tripod. Light. So, yeah. That's my closet. And then above my closet, I have these two bins. In this one, I have all my laundry stuff. So I have extra sheets, dryer balls, laundry detergent, stuff like that. And then this one, I have like cleaning stuff. So yeah, and to get up there, I actually use my ottoman, which is really helpful. And then I have my mirror. This mirror is awesome. It's from IKEA. It is huge. Like, this is my roommate's mirror. And this is mine. I love it. It's huge. So I have that mirror. And then I have this bar cart, which I have not organized how I want it to be yet. It's probably going to stay like this. I just don't like how it looks, but it's whatever. So I actually spray painted these gold, so I really like it. So it's like matches the room theme. So if you can't tell, I'm out of breath. I don't know why. But yeah, so I have my makeup palettes up here, deodorant, speaker. That's for my tripod. Makeup remover wipe, stuff like that. This is stuff I use basically every day besides the makeup. I barely do my makeup here. I bought so much and I barely do it. And then on the second row, I have all of my natural hair care products. And then on the third row, I have back there are just some bags for like the small trash cans we have in here. And then I have some towels, and I'm actually using them. I don't have many towels, so yeah, that's just one towel and a rag. So this is my desk area. The chairs are really ugly, so we both kind of have our blankets on top of them. I did this at home, so I just did it here as well. Then I have this little rug. That one is from, I think, Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Again, check my dorm haul for reference. And yeah, this is just an overview. So on the top, it came like this. I really like it because I have a lot of space for everything. So, oh, let me start up here. So I have these twinkle lights hung up, and then I have a calendar, a clock, which I use my marble contact paper on both, and then this little frame, which it says coffee, mascara, and hustle. So cute. And then on the very top one, I have a fan because I didn't originally have that. That's from Target. But it's so hot in here that I just had to get one. So I have a fan. I have this little thought lamp that's lit up right now. You can't really tell. Here I just have all my necklaces. I have my makeup brushes, cotton balls, cotton swabs. And then here I just have like some earrings and rings. And I have a watch here. And I normally put my sunglasses here. Here they are. So these are my regular sunglasses, and then these are my prescribed ones, so if I don't have my contacts in. And then this I actually DIY'd as well. It was a box from Bath & Body Works, and then I just put the contact paper on it. And then in there I have a little organizer, and I have, oh, is those pills? Okay, this is empty. I don't know why I have that back there, but I have like perfume, hair stuff, Marbadesco, deodorant, stuff like that. So that's on the top shelf. And then on the bottom shelf, or like the actual desk area, we have a cork board behind our desk. So I have a lot of photos of my family and I, because I don't want to get homesick, which I actually am not homesick. I just don't like having my own privacy. But it's honestly fine. I don't really mind it. Okay. And then I have this lamp, which is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And it's really nice because it has like, it's really messy, but I have an outlet in here and a, just like a USB cable. So I have a like little portable charger here, which I try to put my phone here whenever I'm studying, but my phone always moves on it and it stops charging. So if you have any tips on that, let me know. And then this is my coffee mug that like keeps my coffee warm. And then I have my water bottle. And then that's my phone. And then this is my bullet journal. So I just have my to-do list for today. I only crossed off one thing, but I'm getting there. And then I have my vanity lamp. And then this is my makeup. So on the top, I just have everything that I use like the most often. So I have like my mascara and stuff. I'm not going to go into too deep into it. And then I have my makeup in these drawers. Honestly, it's not organized because everything can't fit in one drawer. Like I have a lot less lipstick than I do eye makeup, so I kind of like mix it together. At home, I wouldn't do that, but I don't have that much space in here. And honestly, I don't wear makeup every day, so like I don't really care. Then I have some coffee that I got today. And yes, that is my desk. Oh, I forgot. So I put a little command hook right here so I can hang my keys here because I was always losing them. And now I don't lose them because I have a space for them. And then I guess I'll show y'all what is in the drawer. So this first drawer just has my laptop in it. I try and keep my laptop in there, but honestly, I just put that there for the video because I never have it in here, but whatever, it's there. Then I have a stapler, hole puncher, and then here's just like some miscellaneous pencils, hand sanitizer, a cord, gum, highlighter, stuff like that. These are like glasses cleaners, and then that is some gum. And then on these drawers, this one has all my hair stuff and pills, apparently. And then this one has all my school supplies. It's kind of messy back here. I'm sorry. But I have like pens, pencils, markers, stuff like that. And then this one has like all my books and stuff. And it's, again, messy. I have my headphones in here, tripod. I did not organize stuff that well when I moved in, and I just don't have time for it now. So, yeah. And then right here I have my binders because my binders could not fit in here, which really bugged me. So I have them right here. And I have binders for anatomy because I took a lot of notes in that class. And then I have some air freshener right here. So that is my desk. I'm sorry this video is out of focus. I'm not used to focusing my camera. So yeah, that is my desk area. Now moving on to my bed area, this is like the main piece of my room. I really like this tapestry. It was worth the money, honestly. It was kind of expensive, but it is from Society 6. And what I did to hang it up, if you guys can tell, I first used clothespins with command strips, and the fan kept on blowing down this one over here. So I was like, it needs some extra support. So I put these here, which are actually command strips that you like hook onto stuff. So I would recommend going that route than the other route, but both work. And then I have some lights right here. They're like kind of like globe lights. You can't tell that much since they're glowing, but they're cute or whatever. Then this is my bed. So my bedding's from Target. So it's this little throw blanket. And then I have my pillows over here. Also, that little pillowcase right there is also from Target. I got that on moving day because I didn't have a cute one. And above my bed, I have a #blessed sign. And underneath it, I have some photos. Again, some of them are similar to the ones on my desk, but it's just of family and friends and quotes and stuff like that. And my roommate actually has a matching one. So cute. And then this is underneath my bed. So underneath my bed, I have a lot of shit. So first, let me just lift this up. So first, I have some shoes here that like those wouldn't fit in my organizer, and then these are just kind of small, so I just put them right here. And then behind there, I have like my storage boxes. There's nothing in them, but my dad refused to take them home for me, so they're just behind my bed. So yes, and then I have my suitcase back there as well. And then right here, I just have my little lingerie bags. I put my socks and underwear in there so I won't lose them in the washer machines. And then I have my laundry basket right there. Trash can. Right here is my storage ottoman. This is awesome because I can use it to get onto my bed, on top of my closet, and I can store stuff into it. And also I bring it out in the living room when people are here, and I sit on it or friends sit on it, so it's really nice. But it does get dirty really easily, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. So in here I just have, honestly, bags. I have a blanket in there, stuff like that. I don't know. And then here are my drawers. So in this top one right here, I have shirts and pants. And I actually hung up my jeans, but they're taking up too much space, so I put them in here. And then down here, I have tank tops, long sleeves, sweatpants, shorts, skirts, stuff like that. It's not organized much anymore. It was whenever I first moved in, but it wasn't easy to get, like, organized a lot of stuff. I don't know. And then this drawer, this is, like, what I'm most proud of, y'all. So these organizers came in such a handy. I didn't really know what I was going to use them for, but yo, they're so awesome. So these are from Bed Bath & Beyond. So I have my bras here, because these are supposed to be here. So I have my bras and these two, socks and these back two. So these are like seamless, or not seamless, no-show socks, and then those are regular socks. I have underwear, and I have 3 things of underwear. So these are thongs, these are seamless underwear, and those are just like granny panties that I have. So yeah. And then these are like my pajamas. So I have all my t-shirts right here. Then I have like workout shirts right here, and then I have my workout running shorts right here. And then right here I have my little like coffee station, I guess you can call it, side table. Really nice. So this is our view out our window. We have these 2, what are these called, curtains. These are from Target, and we just hung them up with a tension rod, which actually my sweet mate let us have, so that was super nice. So yeah. And then on the window sill, I have my mugs, and then I meant to plug that in, but it was spilling and I didn't have a place for it, so it's just sitting right there. But this little plug-in from Bath and Body Works. Charge my phone right here. I actually use a command strip so it wouldn't like fall, because that's annoying, and I'm not really supposed to have this, but they didn't say anything about it in room inspection, so I guess it's okay. And then this is my Keurig, love it. And then I have on the side my 2 little coasters, and then in here I just have K-cups and stuff. And then on this side, this is like 2 little plants I had. I had them on my desk, but I didn't run out of space, so I put them over here. And then I have this little sign that says no coffee, no worky. And then I have my food in here. This is my roommate's side, and then this is my side. So in this drawer up here, I have my bowls. This is a ramen noodle cooker. And then I have like all my utensils right here. And then in this drawer, I have my plates and bowls and cups. And then in here, this is all my snacks. So I have a lot of snacks because I don't want to go hungry. So I have oatmeal, goldfish, chips, Oreos, emergency, life hack, heat up your water and put the emergency packets in there. It tastes so much better. So yeah, that is that. And I think that is it for my room. Wow, I'm so out of breath, y'all. I need to start getting back into the gym. But yeah, this is a little overview of my roommate's side. Again, she has the same color scheme as me, and yeah. Now we're gonna show y'all the bathroom. So that is my roommate's room, Ryan, Emily. And then this is our bathroom. So this is our shower. Let me shut this. So the shower curtain we got from Target, super cute. And then we all have our little shower caddies right here, and then we hang up our towels right here. So that's my towel, and then we have a shower cap right here. And then this is the sink area. So this is my suite side. This is my side. Have my stuff right there. And then down here, I have these little 3 drawers. This is where all my like stuff is. It's not organized, so I'm not gonna go into it. But like down there, I have like extra stuff, like tampons, pads, and stuff. And yeah, it's not really organized, but it's nice. And then yeah, and then this is the toilet. If you guys really wanted to see, we have some air freshener right there, some wipes, trash can. So yeah, that's great. I think that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know down below any other college videos you guys would like to see. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Girl, put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down. I won't let you down. I will be singing. Girl, put your love on me. I feel it all around. I feel it all around. I will be singing.